In this video, we're going to understand expressions as functions and write formula and expressions. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at examples 1, 2 and 3, and I'll move it on to example 4 as well in 2 seconds. Okay. Question 1. Complete the following function machine. 14 is then, we have to subtract 8 from that, which would give you 6. And then we've got to multiply that 6 by 4, so that gives 24. Example 2. Here's a function. Find the input. So we're not given the input like 14 previously. We've got to find the input when the output is 63. So if the output is 63, if we go in the opposite direction, we'd have to divide that by 7. So 63 divided by 7 is 9. And then we'd have to do the inverse or the opposite of plus 3, which is minus 3. And 9 minus 3 would give us the answer 6. And you can check that 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63, which is what we want. Bikes normally cost £B each. In a sale, they are reduced by £30. Cycling helmets normally cost £8 each. In a sale, they are reduced to half price. Write an expression for the total cost of 4 bikes and 4 cycling helmets in the sale. So let's look at a bike. The cost of a bike. They normally cost £B, but they're reduced by £30, so they would be B minus 30. The helmet. They normally cost H pounds, but they're half price, so that's divided by 2. So we're trying to work out the cost of 4 bikes and 4 cycling helmets. So the total cost, we'll call that C for the total cost. We want 4 bikes, so that's 4B minus 30s. And we want 4 cycling helmets, so that's 4 and then H divided by 2. Depending on how far out you are on the course and what you've revised, you might not be able to go any further, but hopefully you should be able to simplify this. 4 times B would give you 4B. 4 times minus 30 is minus 120. And then 4 times H divided by 2. If you multiply by 4, then divide by 2, that's the same as having 2 of it, so 2H. And that would be your final answer. Number 4. David has X counters. Lisa has 5 more counters than David. Samia has 4 times as many counters as David. The total number of counters is T. Write a formula for T in terms of X. So we've got David. He is X. Lisa has 5 more than David, so he would be X. She would be X plus 5. And Samia has 4 times as many as David, so 4 times X, which is 4X. Write a formula for T, that means T equals. In terms of X means T is going to be equal to some expression on the right hand side that has X's in it, which is David's plus Lisa's plus Samia's. So we've got to add those 3 expressions together. And that simplifies to give 6x plus